Sige. Ito mo na, ito na yung Rico mo, pre. Ito na yung Rico mo. Rico Blanco, pre.
Sarap pumiga dito.
Tanong mo talaga, puro puno. Joke lang. Wait, hintayin natin si ano.
Okay, let's go.
Hintayin natin sila Dre.
Mag-vlog tayo.
Ito.
Ibe, vlogger na yun, vlogger oh. Kita?
Hindi, sabi mo nasan tayo ya.
Dito kami sa Pansol, Laguna.
Sure kung pansal.
Pansal to, di ba? Hindi na sana eh. Pabili.
Pansal daw, sige. Yung ano doon, ang hamog oh. Mga hamog. Bakit pre, wala pa tayo sa mismo ano. Akala ko si ating guard yung nasa gate pre. Pre, akala ko si ating guard na.
Ay, gagi. Ang ano. Sa school.
Oh, yung naglagi mahilig mag-check ng ID, ay ng bag. Na, parang tao. Alam niyo na. So dito po yung ano, yung vlog yung pre. Ito po yung venue namin dito sa recollection. So ito yung mga tropa natin dyan. So hello. So vlog number 1.
Nag-vlog ka ba talaga? Seryoso
Vlog
ba?
yung vlogger yan.
Vlog-vlogan
Makita
lang.
mo yan, kumakain na sila. Ano nga pangalan ng channel mo?
Makita mo ba?
Hindi ba? Ano, Iwatari.
Iwatari ba?
Iwatari. So ayan. Pila na tayo. Nakikita mo dito yung maling mga ano, ensaymada na nakairera. Lahat yan. Pakita mo si Ate Nikki. Maybe I'm just a better man who's not. So ayan. Pila na tayo para sa pagkain.
Okay, tara.
That's it. Hingay kuya. So ayan, vlog number 2. Ito na po yung part ng eating lunch.
Vlog number 2, wala na akong social battery.
Kaya kakain muna kami guys.
Let's go. Prince, rate mo yung food eh.
Ano? Yung manok pre. Ano lang, sakto lang. Yung ano, what do you call this? Ano ba ito, Nico? Fish mga ano, 7.
Jarl.
Rate mo
Luis.
Ano? Para sa akin, bomba ka na. Gray.
Wala ka naman, di ka kita.
Ba, ita. Gagi pre, nahin yung... Yan. Yun.
Hindi mo mag-taste test tayo.
Magti-taste test kami guys.
Taste test.
Taste test. Wala natin yung pizza. Sabay. Game.
1, 2, 3.
Pwede na.
Sarap!
Sigaw. Takpan niyo pre, takpan niyo.
Transmission.
Cheers. Yan yung boy. Pre, simbahan ng pre. Ano pa tayo ginagawa? Dito na yung ano, picture sa yung week. Ito lang meron. Dito.
Sabay.
Last. Safe now, yaw.
Let's go, let's go.
Sa inyong ginawa ko,
Hindi, mata lang yun. Mata lang yun.
What can you say about this place?
It's so... It's so word. It's look good. At this view. I think it's not word at first sight, but look at the side of the view side, bro. So look at the view and look at me, bro.
it's probably 4,000 hectares, no?
Yeah.
Kung masyado mong maliit yan.
It's so crazy, really, bro.
4,000 hectares. Laki nun.
Laki nun.
Gagi, 400,000. 400,000 square meters. So, I'm just joking, guys. Yo.
Ay, sorry.
Yari ako.
Hey
ng
Luis,
pero-
what can you say about the view in the hotel?
It's great.
It's great.
Ang nonchalant siya.
Nandiyan.
Yung nonchalant, bro. Galit yan, tawagan mo. Galit yan.
Hey, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Hindi natin pre, konti lang. Sa akin din po.
Grabe nga yun.
Dito na lang yung kuya.
Yeah, isa lang yun. So us.
Pre.
So we're here. We're gonna eat the last meal.
Slow, just daw. Kunan mo juice, pre.
Oh, hindi. Wait, eat. Ha? Wait, ano yan? Basik canton? Dami, sarap.
Di ba lakas kasi kumakain yan eh.
Show me, bro. All I can say is, let's taste it. Taste it.
Huwag yung friend, sarap friend. Mukha lang hindi masos.
Ano, bro? It's good. Sarap. Nasa mo yung, richness and of the goodness of pasta, bro. And the blue lemonade. Iblang it.
Yeah.
Going
down.
So guys, how do you love this for the bus and yeah. So we're gonna go down the stairs. I used to show them our biggest eyes.
Foreigner kasi yung mga viewers namin eh.
Yeah.
International kami, international daw.
We show this our ensenada. And then we're gonna go there. We show the view of the Laguna. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So crazy. Wow. Wow, ang ganda pre. That's so crazy. I'm gonna show you here, so. Yeah, damn right.
Damn right.
Damn right, bro. Damn right. Damn right. Saan ba yan?
Hey, Donlin! Guys!
Pawang mo na dyan.
Sit on the rail! Oy!
Boy, ang ganda, boy.
Ano kaya nila magkano bigay ko?
Lagi pre, ang ganda.
Pre, swimming pool, pre. Ay, return. Yun,
Tara, swimming na.
Ano, Jay? Swimming na?
Lima to, pre. Sino ano sa akin, pre? Sino makikiwish? Lima to.
So, you can see here the view of the Laguna and
Ulugin sa imali.
you can see other ensaymada is inside this paper bag, bro.
Chongke yan.
Don't say bad words, you crazy. And you can see there's a slide, orange and green slide there, and a swimming pool, but there's no people, so we're gonna go there and we're gonna check in there. We're gonna swim there, bro. Guys, yeah. So cool, bro. So windy and the weather is so good, bro. And you can see the mountains and the houses. And we go here, it's here. And then hello. Here is our guys, and yeah.
Nico here is here.
Then, praise to our vlogger Joshua Baykuyos. Yeah. Iwatari.
And Pinom.
Venom. Pinom.
And Inelbow. Pinom, Inelbow, and Iwatari.
Ba't naging dalawa yung hawak ko?
Nilagay ko yung isa, Gagi.
Sige ba ito?
Talaga?
Talaga.
Nakalimutan mo, ah.
You showed. Yeah, so pretty, bro. You later you airdrop that. Ganda.
Prince, bye.
So, we're about to go home now. Straight. Our plane. Let's go, and we're gonna about to go.
Entrance of the hotel.
Look at this is the. We're gonna say goodbye, farewell to this pretty. That's so crazy, bro. Sila meron silang ganyan kami, hand lang yung hawak ng gamit namin. Crazy. Yeah. It's mom Baron. It's right there. It's mom. Where's mom? There's mom Baron there. Shout out to her. Yeah. And here's Kaya Abrigo. Yeah, and Nico Bustamante. And here, Natalie and Ben Fabrio is there.
Julian and Fabio.
Yo, and then you can see the view of our...
Ito yung view. Ito kasi yung view.
The
Ito
view.
kasi.
Oh my God, so crazy.
Ito oh, ito oh.
Oh, so, yeah, that's right.
I would like to shout out Hingpit and
Isabella,
and Luna
and
and Santos and
to our guys, and yeah.
Andrea and Balala. Yo, what's up, bro?
Yeah,
How
bro.
you doing?
Let's go here, bro. Where are
How's
you now?
team, bro?
How's live, bro? How's live? We're here. We're vlogging and yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Let's all aboard the e-bike.
E-bike.
Social yung e-bike dito
Yeah,
pre
that's
sa
crazy.
tawag dito? Sa Laguna, ganyan yung tsura.
So good, bro. So crazy. Then yeah, we're gonna do a part 2. Bye-bye, guys.
Pinom. Oy, Pinom.
Yo.
Pinom.
Shout out sa inyo at sa'yo.
Patugtugan na ng mga iba.